Your Linux system is crawling. A-tools are consuming everything and you don't know why. In this video, we'll show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it fast. Applications like LM's image generators and automation tools demand massive RAM, CPU, and GPU resources. When multiple tools run simultaneously, they overwhelm your kernel's memory management, causing bottlenecks, crashes, and system freezes. This happens because most A-tools aren't optimized for shared resource environments. Understanding this is your first step to prevention. Open terminal and run top or top to see real-time resource usage. Check FreeBSD for memory status and NVIDIA for gay POTUSes. One more to spot kernel errors. These tools reveal exactly which iTools are causing bottlenecks, helping you prioritize fixes, set resource limits using groups or Docker containers, prioritize processes with nice and renus commands, enable swap memory and increase kernel parameters, run iTools sequentially instead of parallel, consider cloud solutions like Oz or Google Cloud for heavy workloads, upgrade RAM or use lightweight I alternatives for better performance. Always monitor background processes before launching iTools. Use separate virtual machines or containers for resource-heavy applications. Keep your Linux kernel updated for better memory management. Schedule I workloads during off-peak hours for resource thresholds to prevent crashes before they happen. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more A-tool hacks. Drop your biggest Linux challenge in the comments. Let's solve it together.